Hello everyone, welcome to Wing Tarot. Today we are looking into another pick a card reading, and topic for today's pick a card reading is what blessings are coming through. As today's date is 8th of August, which is 8/8. This date is nothing but a Lionsgate portal opening. So, Lionsgate portal is open from 26th July to 12th of August. And also today there is a new moon energy, so we will be looking into the blessing which you are receiving, or the wish fulfillment, or the things which are around the corner, and soon you will manifest those things in your life. That will be the topic for the today. So to select the pile, I have kept two cards. One card is of strength, another card is of the moon. This is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, and this is pile number 3. So take your time, meditate. If you need more time, then you can stop the video right here. You don't need to choose only one pile. So it's like the strength and the moon. This is one. This is for pile number 1 people. This strength card and this moon card. This is for pile number 2 people. And this strength card and the moon card is for pile number 3 people. Take your time and select the pile which you are most drawn to, and I'll catch you in the timestamps. Hello pile 1, those who have selected these two cards, strength and the moon, we will be looking into what are the blessings coming through today, as today is the new moon's energy and Lionsgate portal is opened. So we are close to our higher self, or it is really easy for us to manifest anything we wish for. We don't need to put much efforts, as our spirit guides, our higher self are listening to us. So let's get started. So I'm using the Wild Unknown tarot card deck for you guys. Okay, we will be keeping those cards here and we'll incorporate as well. So what are the blessings for pile number 1 people during this new moon energy and a Lionsgate portal energy? So basically you can literally manifest whatever you want to, but let's see what blessings are coming. Oops. Okay, bottom of the deck is 6 of wands. Okay, father of swords, and 6 of swords. Immediately I can sense the vibe that you are finally overcoming the conflicting situation, or the difficult situation in which people are not agreeing to one point, or I can sense the presence of a strong authority which is not ready to listen to others. So you cannot put forward your opinions, or you think that you are not valuable in that situation. Your opinions do not matter in that situation, whether it can be related to your job, like you are a team member and your boss is not even taking note of what you want to say, or in your family where you are expressing yourself but your family members are like, no, whatever you are talking it's shit. So if you are having that kind of energy, like you're bounded yourself inside and you do not want to open up, as you think that you are you cannot move anywhere or something like that, I mean you cannot get out of this situation, then no, the changes are coming. The Six of Swords, you are finally overcoming this situation and finally you will be able to see this rainbow. So rainbow is at horizon, and of course you will be emerging like this butterfly, finally leaving all the conflicting things, or the place where you don't belong to, and emerging like a butterfly. So the big transformation is coming into your life, and this change is really very good, that finally you will find happiness, joy, the calmness which you require in your life, so you will be able to find peace in your situation. Let's check out your finances. So the finances for you guys, how you are going to be blessed. Okay, 10 of swords. Okay, that is bottom of the deck. 7 of swords. So many swords are coming. Two of swords. Okay, great. So as I can see, the people on whom you are trusting the most, these people are actually fraud, I can say, or they are the one who will hurt you the most. So financially, just make sure that you are not trusting everyone. I mean you need to read people's mind and you need to understand whether they are fraud or they are real people, because I can sense that vibe of thief. Someone is stealing something, or hiding some information from you, or not helping you as much you want, or you are in a really bad phase and people are not helping you financially. So try to understand such people, but eventually you will get out of this once that transformation is happening, so that the blessings for you guys, that you will get more money what you have even imagined. So this 10 of Pentacles is giving you assurance that your finances uh, will be stable after certain point of time, but before that you should get rid of such people as well. Let's check what wish fulfillment, like new moon's energy, is going to work for you guys. Again, 8 of swords. I can sense that you are able to get out of such situation where you think that you are helpless, no one is there to help you, and you cannot do anything about it. but in reality you can do many things once you open that blindfold and see that actually there is a way out. New opportunity. If you are really wishing some new opportunity in your career and job, then yes, the new opportunity is coming, or even in business. Knight of Pens. I can sense the vibe of getting stable. Yes, Nine of Pens. Bottom of the deck is Temperance. So, the new moon's blessings are new opportunities there. You are really able to get out of a situation where you are not feeling happy, or where you are feeling that you are stuck, and eventually you will be in better position, in better situation, where you will get more money, more success, and you will get stable. The stability and abundance I can sense, because you have also got 10 of pens in another, from another deck, and also you have got 6 of swords, this card, so that it confirms that you are finally able to get out of this situation. So we will be looking into the zodiac signs which are important to you during this phase. So we will be looking into top 3 zodiac signs which will be most important for you guys. So it can be sun, moon, or rising. So we have got Cancer, Sagittarius, and Capricorn. So these people will be important for you guys, and they will actually help you to move out of this situation, or they are the one which will give you strength or some new ideas on which you will be able to work. So this is what I can see for you guys. Pile number 1. Hope it makes sense to you. If it is resonating with your situation, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now. Hello pile 2, those who have selected this strength card and the moon card, let's get into your readings. We'll be looking into what blessings are coming your way. Since it's a Lionsgate portal energy, so Lionsgate portal is open from 26th July to 12th of August. So we are more connected to our higher self and spirit guides, and in this time period we can manifest anything very easily. We don't need to put more efforts, because our higher self and all the spirit guides are around us only. So it's really significant day today, because it's also new moon, and new moon's energy is really good for new start, new beginning, or at least having a wish to start off. So let's get into your blessings. It can happen that your reading can be different than pile number 1 reading. So let's understand what are the blessings coming into your ways. For pile number 2 people, let's keep your cards over here. Bottom of the deck is Death. Are really looking forward to something big in your life, and you're planning a lot. You're figuring out how you can do it. Earlier, you were not happy in your life, and I can sense that energy because the people around you or the situation in which you were putting into, the situation was not for you to grow. So finally, you moved out, and in order to find the peace or the balance, but you were not successful in that, and whatever resources you had, you were not happy with it. But God has offered to you help or another opportunity, and finally you got help financially, or I can say from a generous person, and you got this new thing into your life, this new idea, this new clarity about your life. So you are looking forward to implement this into your life. See, a big transformation is on the horizon. You are in that stuck situation. You are able to see that opportunity, but you are not able to decide how to go about it, how to grab it, or you are ignoring some things which you should not. I believe that you are ignoring signs from the universe. But soon that transformation will happen into your life, and which will be a good transformation. So you have all the strength to pass through that phase and to achieve what you want. That's what coming forth. Let me check what your divine guidance wants to say on this. So we will be pulling only 3 cards from this deck. What is the message? Because you are still in that bad phase or negative phase, but yes, that change is coming. The transformation is coming into your life, so you just need to wait. Let's pull out one more. Empathic star seed. Okay, star keepers and Vale and Oka elders. I can sense that you are absorbing the energy from the people around you, but they are actually not helping you to grow. And that empathic star seed, this um, this attitude or this situation is will not be able to help you to grow. So I believe that in new moon's energy you will be finally able to understand that you need to pay more attention on yourself. Currently your body, your mind, your soul needs your energy, and your ancestors are also guiding you to grow further. So instead of just helping people, instead of just being generous, it's better to move ahead with your energy. Pay more attention to what you want instead of giving attention to what others want. I believe that you should surround yourself with the people who will be able to help you, or who will be able to transform you into something great. So you need a guidance, and that guidance is coming forth. I'm sensing that energy, that something is coming towards you which will be of your own good. So don't worry about if you are cutting people out of your life or people are living your life. So it is happening for your own good, so that you will be able to get along with the people who are having same energy, who are vibrating on the same frequency as you. If you are thinking you want to have a happy life, you deserve that happy life, then yes, you should surround yourself with the people who are paying more attention on themselves, and also growing in their professional career, or supporting their families. So the peaceful life is all you are aiming for. This is what I'm getting. And yes, that transformation is coming forth as well. Let's pull out some cards to check what is the new moon's energy, how it will impact you. For pile number 2 people, any messages from new moon's energy? Pile number 2 people. I'm sensing that travel is possible in near future. Not yet, but you can plan how you can plan that entire journey. I mean, you need to check your finances, you need to check the route or the transportation available to travel to that destination. So, I mean, you need to do a lot of planning. This is what coming forth. Bottom of the deck is 4 of wands. The difficult phase, the difficult phase is finally getting over. Everything is coming into an alignment. The 8 of swords are there to make you understand or make you realize that you are not stuck. You will be moving out so soon. I can sense the celebration as well. So happy news are coming into your ways. Also another energy that you should keep grounded and seed the light by staying grounded. So the star keeper card I am able to connect with ace of swords. You will get lot of pleasant surprises. So what are the surprises that universe will tell you at the correct point? But currently I can sense that yes, transformation is coming. And like this moon card, you should believe in yourself, like you are getting transformed into something better. You should see yourself like you are the most abundant, loving, caring, and successful person in this entire world. And once you start having that attitude or the mindset, so that you will also start taking actions accordingly, and no one can stop you then. So your mind shift is shifting, and also it will bring forth all the positive energies. You are like, okay, I'm done with this negativity. I don't want to entertain such people or such situation into my life, and now I'm done with this. Now I want to move out and finally have a really good life, a balanced life. So you are seeking for balance. This is what is coming forth. And yes, you will be able to see the things getting aligned as per your wishes. So you guys are really having many wishes. It's not just about being successful. There are a lot of things you want to achieve, and you are really planning, and it's really a good sign that you are planning. So it's a first step. To plan something, it's the first step, and I would really like to congratulate you guys that you are at least taking the first step, so that you are in that mindset that yes, I want to change my life. So this transformation, I want to change my life. So yes, that new moon energy and the landscape portal energy will of course help you to move ahead, move forward with your dreams, and soon you will be able to see progress in that. So it's completely a work in progress situation, I can sense. So pile number 2, I wish you all the best for your journey, and I hope that you will see results very soon. And take uh, let's check which are the top 3 zodiac signs, which can be sun, moon, or rising. So these people can be important for you during this phase or during your journey. Okay, 4 wants to come out. So Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, and Aries. So I wish you all the very best, guys. I hope you will achieve the results very soon. My readings is resonating with your current situation, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Hello pile 3, those who have selected these cards, this strength and moon. Let's get into your readings. So Lionsgate portal is open now, and it is open from 26th July to 12th of August. So today is really a significant day because today's date is 8th of August, which is 8/8. Number 8 is ruled by Saturn, and it is number of abundance, manifestation, and also the karmic things. I mean the good karma, bad karma, both things. So we will be looking into what are the things which will be getting manifested really very soon. As today it's new moon, and you can plant a seed of your new wish. If you are wishing for something to happen in your life, then yes, today is the day you can think about only positive thoughts, because In when Lionsgate portal is open, then we are really very close to our ancestors, our spirit guides, or higher self. So we don't need to put much efforts while manifesting. We can easily manifest whatever we wish for. So yes, so it's really a good time for us. So let's see now. Let's get into your reading. What are the blessings are coming forth for pile number 3 people? So we will see that how it goes, like which cards or which topic we need to focus on. So first let's check what are the blessings coming forth for pile number 3 people. Okay, I'll be pulling 5 cards for you guys. Okay, this 2 wants to come out. Bottom of the deck is 8 of swords. All 3 piles have got 8 of swords. Why are you feeling so stuck? I'm getting the vibe that in society or on social media, you are thinking that your image is not so nice, or people are blaming you for something. But eventually, this situation soon will be cleared out, and you will be able to see the genuine people with whom you can have party or with whom you can celebrate your success, because you're planning the seeds and now you're waiting for the results. So you're patiently waiting for your result. You're already manifesting. You're already manifesting, and you are clearing out the energy which is not serving you anymore. So it's a good thing, and you will really get quick results. This is what I'm sensing. Your yin yang is really balanced. If you are thinking that your energy is not so balanced, then yes, soon it will get balanced. You will, instead of this mindset, like getting stuck and all, uh, not having positive image about yourself, or just sitting there and thinking how you can leave get out of this situation. So instead of this image, soon you will be enthusiastic, full of energy, and taking action on your goals. So I can sense that you will be start working on your goals really very soon. New beginning is coming into your life. It can be a mental clarity, and you will understand like what you want to do in your life. I believe that you are already having that kind of idea what you want to do in your life, and you have already planted those seeds, and now you are waiting for the fruits, and you are patiently waiting for it. So the patience is really the key in this case, I can say. So I hope this is resonating with you. While waiting also, I can sense the calmness in your body. You are not in hurry, but yes, you are ready to take action if something is needed from your side to complete the same. And you have realized that you are not stuck anymore. Also, suddenly I got the message that make sure that you are drinking enough water in a day, and also you are not just sitting there, you are exercising, you are moving your body so that you are having a healthy lifestyle, or you are eating some healthy things. So this message is suddenly coming that you should pay more attention to what you are eating, or if you are exercising regularly, or drinking enough water. So let's see what additional things it wants to add for pile number 3 people. Okay, the cards which have flipped, I'm taking those cards. Wow, bottom of the deck is 10 of cups. I'm sensing that there is a situation in which your property is getting distributed with your siblings, or in your family. This might be a message for just couple of you, not for everyone, but this might be a situation for you guys where your property is getting distributed, and even if it is happening, just accept the decision, because you will get lot of money from that part as well, from that one part of yours. So you can really have a happy life using that sum of money. I can sense a queen of swords like figure is actually taking care of this. But eventually you will get balanced. I'm really getting strong vibe that your yin yang will get balanced. Finally you will be able to move out uh, and have a happy life with your family. If you are currently staying in joint family, maybe you want to have a nuclear family, and the property is getting distributed so that you will get some part of that money, some part of that property, and you will actually spend or have a really good life with your small family. So don't think that the things which are happening, which are not in favor of you, it is actually in favor of you, and they are making you more balanced, and you can have a minimalist life, and soon you will sense that it's really good to have a minimalist life. You're stronger than you think. You're really stronger than you think. If you are investing your money in something like stock market, and you're patiently waiting to get the returns, then yes, it is coming soon. So I can sense that there is lot of money coming into your life because you have already planted the seeds. So there is emotional fulfillment and joy I can sense for pile number 3. I'm drawn to pull out cards from Osho Zen Tarot card deck. So let's see. I'm really sensing that pile number 3 people, a lot of money is coming into your life, and also it's going to fulfill you emotionally. And even if you are thinking that situation is not in favor of you right now, but eventually you will understand it has happened for your own good. Sometimes it is better to have a few people in your life. It's all about quality, it's not about quantity. So let's see about your mindset. So we will pull the 3 cards from this tarot card deck. See. Ordinariness, guilt. That's what we were talking about. So having a minimalist life, you will soon sense that it is really better to have a minimalist life because happiness comes from small things as well. It's not just about having an expensive car or an expensive house. Uh, it's about having people on whom you can trust, and you can share everything you want with them. Sometimes it's really joyful to spend a night with your friends discussing about your childhood memories, like the good things happened in your past. Also able to take a walk in the evening or watching sunset. So these are small things, so even those things gives us happiness. So we should not forget about the small things which are there into your life, not just about money. And there I can sense there is a guilt, but should not be you should not feel guilty about these things because if this disheartening situation is happening, it's not at all your fault. Soon you are going to get a lot of clarity about it. Let's pull out one more card. So I can sense the realization of what was wrong and what was right, and how it has helped you to grow further. This clarity is coming forth for pile number 3. So it's flowering. You are finally growing. You you are getting really great things which you have never thought about that this can be possible for you guys. So remove that guilt from your mindset, have the minimalist life, and then let's watch how your life is blessed with other many things. Currently, you are not able to see the complete picture, but soon you will understand that why it has happened with you. Now let's see the top 3 zodiac signs. These people can have these signs in sun, moon, or rising. And these people will be important in your life, at least in this phase. Okay, so Scorpio, Taurus, and Gemini. So this is the reading for you guys, pile number 3. Hope it resonates with your current situation. If it resonates, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.